Hello friends, is it true that the air conditioning impairs the dynamic of the car? The air conditioner in a car has a complex system for compressing and cooling the working gas, which require a lot of energy. Therefore, its compressor is connected to the output shaft of the engine by means of a belt drive. When the engine is started, the air conditioner is also activated. The electronic control system of which thus the clutch drives the compressor. A lot of effort is required, so the moment the compressor starts is always felt in the car. At idle you can see how the tachometer needle drop a little and the car barely shudders. Then the electronics change the setting and the motor add gas to compressor to components for the engine loss to the air conditioner. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.